Good morning, students. I am Samatha, lecturer in chemistry. Okay, students, today we will discuss about carbene ions. Carbene ion means an anion in which carbon has an unshared pair of electrons and contain a negative charge. A carbene ion is one of the reactive intermediates in organic chemistry. The conjugate basis of weak acids, strong bases, and excellent nucleophiles. Okay, this is about carbene ions. What are carbene ion? An anion in which carbon has the unshared pair of electrons and carbon contain negative charge, that is called as carbene ion. Okay, whatever it may be in alkyl, any alkyl group, carbon is having negative charge, then that is called as carbene ion. Okay, carbon must be contain unshared pair of electron or negative charge. A carbene ion, these carbene ions are the one of the most intermediate reactive intermediate in our organic chemistry. Okay, in organic chemistry, carbene ions are the most reactive intermediates. The conjugate bases of weak acids, strong bases, and excellent nucleophiles. Okay, this is about carbene ion. Next is the bond cleavage, how the carbene ions will be formed. Okay, here bond cleavage, which type of bond cleavage here? Heterolytic cleavage. Okay, bond cleavages are two types, homolytic cleavages and heterolytic cleavages. All of you know that. Homolytic means the bond is equally divided or equally dissociates and form two radicals in each atom, then that is called as homolytic cleavage. Here heterolytic cleavage. Okay, the bond between two atoms that is unequally cleavage or unequally shared electrons. Okay, one atom is having no electron and another atom is having two electrons. Then the two electron containing atom get negative charge, means here the bond is shifted towards one atom, then that atom get negative charge, another atom get positive charge. This type of bond cleavage is called as heterolytic cleavage. Okay, here example is there. Here AB molecule is there, between A and B one bond is there. In first step, the bond is cleavage towards the B atom. Okay, then A get positive charge and B get negative charge. Okay, same bond cleavage occurs towards the A, then A will get a negative charge and B get positive charge. Okay, this type of cleavage is called as heterolytic cleavage. Okay, uh, bond cleavage occurs towards only one atom. Okay, either A or B, that atom get negative charge, another atom get positive charge. This type of bond cleavage is called as heterolytic cleavage. In this type of cleavage, carbene ions or nucleophiles will be formed. Okay, here positively charged ion is carbocation. Okay, here in heterolytic cleavage, positive charged ions and negative charged ions both are formed. Positive charged ions are called as carbocations and negatively charged ions are called as carbene ions. Okay, carbene ions means negatively charged ions. Here negatively charged ions are called as carbene ion, positively charged ions are called as carbocation. Okay, here these are the reactants. Reactants undergo some types of cleavage and form intermediates, then intermediates are converted to products. This is the chemical reaction. Okay, first uh, reactants will participate in bond cleavage or dissociation and form intermediates, then that intermediates are converted to products. This is the chemical reaction process. A very important way of generating carbonucleophiles involves removal of proton from a carbon by a base. The anion produced are carbanions. Okay, here a very important way of generating carbon nucleophiles. Carbon nucleophiles means carbon with negative charge. Carbon nucleophiles, it involves the removal of proton, mainly formation of carbon nucleophiles. There is a removal of proton from carbon by a base. The anions produced are called as the carbanions. The negative charge gives good nucleophilic properties and it can be used in the formation of new carbon-carbon bond. Okay, the negative charge gives good nucleophilic properties. Negative charge is a good nucleophilic property and it can be used in the formation of a new carbon-carbon bond. Okay, we want to create a new bond between two carbons. There is a need of carbon nucleophile. Okay, the negative charge gives good nucleophilic properties and it can be used in the formation of new carbon-carbon bond. Here carbanion, this carbanion shape is pyramidal and it is sp3 hybridized. Bond angle is 109.28. Geometry is tetrahedral. And it has 8 electrons stabilized by resonance or by inductive effect. Okay, here this is the sp3 hybrid orbital containing lone pair of electrons and it is the tetrahedral structure of carbanion. Okay, here generally carbanion is a pyramidal and sp3 hybridized. Okay, it is pyramidal sp3 hybridized. Bond angle is 109.28. Okay, 109 degrees and 28 minutes. Bond angle, that is, and geometry is tetrahedral. Okay, this tetrahedral geometry is due to the presence of lone pair of electrons. Okay, and it has the 8 electrons and it is stabilized by resonance or by inductive effect. Okay, then carbanion is get stability by resonance or inductive effect. Okay, by inductive effect or resonance structures, carbanion will get stability. Okay, stabilized by resonance or by inductive effect. This diagram shows here this is the sp3 hybrid orbital containing lone pair of electron and due to this carbanion has a tetrahedral shape. The efficient generation of a significant equilibrium concentration of a carbanion requires choice of a proper base. Okay, here the efficient generation of carbanion, there is a required choice of proper base. By using of proper base only we can prepare a efficient and significant carbanion. Okay, the efficient generation of a significant equilibrium concentration of a carbanion requires choice of a proper base. The equilibrium will favor carbanion formation only when the acidity of the carbon acid is greater than that of the conjugate acid corresponding to the base used for deprotonation. Okay, the equilibrium will favor carbanion formation only when the acidity of the carbon acid is greater than that of the conjugate acid corresponding to the base used for deprotonation. Here how the carbanion is formed: when the loss of proton or elimination of proton, then only carbanion is formed. Okay, here acidity of the carbon acid greater than that of the conjugate acid, corresponding to the base used for deprotonation. Okay, here acidity of carbon acid is greater than the conjugate acid. Here RC double bond O CH3, this is one type of ketone in presence of base, strong base, and loses one proton and form carbene ion, or uh, double bond form and loses proton, and here H plus ion and OH converted to water molecule, and this reaction is the towards reaction. Okay, it is the equilibrium state. Okay, here also same, RC double bond O CH3 plus RCH2O minus, here RC single bond O minus double bond CH2 plus RCH2OH. Okay, this is the first reaction constant, K is less than 1, and next is the RC double bond O CH3 R3CO minus, and RC single bond O minus double bond CH2 plus R3COH. Here K is equal to 1. Next reaction, here RC double bond O CH3 plus lithium dimethyl ethylamine. Okay, here RC single bond OLI double bond CH2 plus here lithium is shifted to oxygen and form this intermediate. Here CH3 taken twice, CH taken twice, NH. Okay, this one is dipropyl amine. Here K is greater than 1. Here 1 mean more product and 1 mean more reactant. Okay, here K is greater than 1. In middle reaction K is equal to 1, this is K is less than 1. Next is the stability of carbene ion depends upon 3 factors. Here by resonance also carbene ion get stability. Here example is cyclopentadienyl carbene ion. Okay, this one cyclopentadienyl carbene ion. Okay, this one participates in resonance structures. Okay, here first negative charge is shifted to these two carbons, and this double bond is shifted to here. Here negative charge is there. This next step, this negative charge is shifted to between these two carbons, and this pi bond is shifted to here, and same like that, this is shifted to here, and again this is shifted to here, like that. These structures are called as resonance structures. When one compound shows more resonance structures, that compound will get stability. Okay, this is called as stability by resonance. Carbene ions also will get stability by resonance or through resonance. Here one more example is there. This is the methyl pyridine. Pyridine also loses one, methylpyridine also loses one hydrogen and shows this type of negative charge CH2 minus. Then it is also shows resonance. This is the one of the resonance structure, and it is shifted to this side, and this compound also shifted to like this. Okay, next is the here cyclopentadienyl cation, and this is the pyridine, and here methylpyridine. Some reactions are there, acetic anhydride and benzaldehyde in presence of this substituted compound is formed, and here sodamide, in presence of sodamide this type of product is formed, and here this is also in presence of sodamide, and here carbon dioxide, in presence of carbon dioxide here carboxylic acid derivative is formed, and here ketonic functional group is formed. Okay, these are the reactions of methyl pyridine. Next is stability of carbanion by inductive effect. Okay, there is a stability by resonance, here stability by inductive effect. Stability by inductive effect. Okay, here first is the tertiary carbanion, secondary carbanion, and primary carbanion. Okay, primary means this carbon is having only one side alkyl group, remaining two sides hydrogens. Okay, then it is called as a primary carbanion. This is secondary carbanion. Carbanion is having two sides alkyl groups or two sides directly bound to the carbon and one side is hydrogen. Then it is called as a secondary carbanion. Next is the tertiary. This is the carbene ion, but this carbon means negatively charged carbon having three sides direct bond with the carbons or alkyl groups. Then it is called as a tertiary carbene ion. Okay, here uh, the stability order is tertiary carbanion is less than secondary carbanion, and secondary carbanion is less than primary carbanion. This is the stability of carbanion. Next is stability of carbanion. Electron donating groups destabilize a carbanion while electron withdrawing groups stabilize it. Okay, here substituents effect here electron donating groups destabilize a carbanion. Okay, here methyl group is a electron donating group. This is destabilize the carbanion while electron withdrawing groups stabilize it. Okay, here this compound is having CH2 minus here and NO2 group here. This compound is CH2 minus and O methoxy group OCH3. Okay, here this is the electron donating group, here electron withdrawing group, but here two are the electron donating groups. Okay, that's why this first compound is greater than second compound. Okay, here electron donating groups destabilize a carbon while electron withdrawing groups stabilize it. Okay, here this NO2 group is the electron withdrawing group, so it is stabilize the carbanion. This is electron donating group, it is destabilizing the carbanion. And ordering of some important substituents with respect to their ability to stabilize carbanion can be established. Okay, here order of the substituents with respect to their ability to stabilize carbon ion. Okay, here these are the substituent orders. These are stabilize the carbon ion. Okay, first is NO2 group. NO2 group is greater than COR and it is greater than CnCO2R and it is greater than SOR group and it is greater than phenyl SR group and it is greater than hydrogen and it is greater than or alkyl. Okay, this is the order of some important substances with respect to their ability to stabilize carbon ion. Okay, students, this is about today's session. Once again, we will discuss briefly. Okay, first we have to discuss carbon ion. What is carbon ion? Carbon ion means the carbon is which is having unshared pair of electrons or it contain negative charge, then that is called as a carbon ion. Okay, this carbon ion is a more reactive intermediate in organic reactions, and it is derived from the weak acids or strong bases. Okay, and this carbon ion is a act as a strong nucleophile or more reactive reaction intermediate, and these carbon ions will be formed by the bond cleavage, that is also in heterolytic bond cleavage carbon ions will be formed or produced. Okay, here example is there. The bond cleavage occurs towards one atom, then the negative charge will be formed on that atom. For example, AB molecule is there. The bond between A and B undergo cleavage or cleavage towards one atom. For example, the bond cleavage occurs towards the B, then B get negative charge, A get positive charge. If the bond cleavage is towards the A atom, then A get negative charge, B get positive charge. Here positively charged ions are called as carbocations and negatively charged ions are called as carbene ions. Okay, first reactants undergo bond cleavage and form intermediates, then intermediates are converted to products. This is the reaction process in organic chemistry. A very important way of generating carbon nucleophile involves removal of proton from a carbon by using of a base. The anions produced are carbanions. The negative charge gives good nucleophilic properties and it can be used in the formation of new carbon-carbon bond. And carbon ion has a pyramidal structure and it is sp3 hybridized. Bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Geometry is tetrahedral due to the presence of unpaired electrons, and it has 8 electrons and it is stabilized by resonance or inductive effect. Here structure of carbon ion is there. sp3 hybrid orbital containing lone pair of electron, and it has a tetrahedral structure. The efficient generation of a significant equilibrium concentration of a carbon ion requires choice of a proper base. The equilibrium will favor carbon ion formation only when the acidity of the carbon acid is greater than that of the conjugate acid corresponding to the base used for deprotonation. Okay, here by using of a strong base, deprotonation will occurs and form carbon ion. Okay, here some of the examples are there. And next is the stability of carbon ion. It is depends upon the three factors. One is by resonance. By resonance also carbon ions will get stability. Here example is cyclopentadienyl carbanion. Through the resonance structures, cyclopentadienyl carbanion will get stability. Here three are the resonance structures, and next is the methylpyridine or 2-methylpyridine. This 2-methylpyridine also in presence of base loses a proton and form carbanion. This is also shows resonance structure and get stability, and 2-methylpyridine chemical reactions also there. And next is the stability of carbanion by inductive effect. By according to inductive effect, the stability of carbanions is tertiary carbanion is less than secondary, secondary is less than primary. Okay, this is the stability order of carbanions by inductive effect. And next is the stability of carbanion, means here by effect of substituents on stability of carbanion. Here electron donating groups are destabilize the carbanion, and electron withdrawing groups are stabilize the carbanion. Okay, here example is there. First example is having electron donating group, first is having electron withdrawing group, NO2 group, and second example is having electron donating group. Okay, here electron withdrawing groups are stabilize the carbanion, electron donating groups are destabilize the carbanion. So first compound is greater than second compound. And next is the order of some important substituents with respect to their ability to stabilize carbanion can be established. Here first group is NO2 group. NO2 is greater than COR, COR is greater than CN, CN is greater than CO2R, CO2R is greater than SOR, and it is greater than PHSR, and it is greater than hydrogen, hydrogen is greater than alkyl group. Okay, these are the groups to stabilize carbanion stability. Okay students, this is about today's session, carbanions and bond cleavage, and what is the structure and hybridization of carbanion. Most is carbanion is having sp3 hybridized, and bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. According to hybridization, it has a tetrahedral shape. One of the tetrahedral corner is occupied by lone pair of electrons, and it is stabilized by resonance and inductive effect. By resonance, when one compound shows more than one resonance structures, then that compound will get more stability. Here also carbanions shows such type of resonance structures and get stability. By inductive effect also these carbanions will get the stability. Okay, here formation of some carbanions by strong bases. Here by resonance, stability of carbanion by resonance. Here cyclopentadienyl carbanion shows three types of resonance structures, then this compound will get more stability. And here pyridine, substituted pyridine also there, that is 2-methylpyridine. It is also participates in resonance and gets stability. Here by inductive effect, tertiary carbanion is less than secondary, secondary is less than primary. Okay, here in carbanions, primary carbanion is more stable compared to secondary, secondary is more stable to tertiary. Okay, this is by inductive effect only. And here substituents effect on stability of carbon ion. Here what is that electron donating groups are destabilize the carbon ion, and electron withdrawing groups are stabilize the carbon ion, and some of the groups are also there. Okay students, this is about today's session. Hope you understood. Thank you.